So I was asked to do this video, basically a torture test on a Skystars F7 Mini. It's a 20x20 55 amp with a F7 20x20 flight controller, and I've been running this on a 7-inch quad all the way up to 7.5-inch props, 5 pitch, 2 GoPros, as you can see, GoPro 9, 2 full ones, a 2200 or 2 1100 blacks. That's what I run. I chase the boats with it, I freestyle with it. With 2 cams on, I do all this, and we're gonna show you a video of that. The motors I run on it, 3 to 4S. I run them 6S, 1700 kV. Everyone says it's too much for it. I think it's lovely.
Rolling in the palace, but you're too tame. I ain't for the south, but I appreciate the word grain. Never calling me about the north, it's only 2 man. I'm in the same building, but the flows and change. I'm for the waiting now. I bought a Rari and I did it just to hear the sound. God say, really about to lose all this meaning now. Guess you love the trouble when I pull up and you leave in town. Say you're married to the game and I'm just here to burn it down. I got a fight in the morning, I see what you've been trying to do, and I'm a mission the border. You think I never pay attention? In my mind, I'm recording. I'm about to win a row, and all your goals and dreams not a border roll. My homies like we run the city. Looking fast and feeling like a Billy. Moving silence, you can never hear me. If you got it, run when you see me. Run it.
Bang, time to show you what we came to do. Boss, only talking, making major moves. Rolls Royce, no top. Me, no one will ever stop. Me against the world, I got my back against the wall. No, I'm well bound, but I'm well now. On the road with riches, I can never lay around. Told them make a sound, unless you make it loud. Everybody scream, everybody scream, everybody scream. That's my only thing, yes. I'm a golden winner of 423. All my people G's until the party cease. Run it, 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 run it.